welcome to Sociology Classroom. Today we are going to discuss new chapter Status and Role. The term status you may be heard many times in previous classes and you got a normal idea what is status. Now we are going to deconstruct your idea of status. First of all, we are going to fix a new concept called position, social position. In every society or social group, indeed it has a social structure. Every society or social group has social structure and social system, and the persons or the members of such a social group or social system has its own position. Every member has their own position in a social system. Imagine you are in a social group called family, and you have a position, you have a social position in that group that we all know. According to famous sociologist Johnson, he opinion that there are two aspect for every social position. That one is called his right. Every person or member in his position, he has some rights to be exercised, and the next is obligation, duties. There is some duties he have to fulfill. These are two sides of the same coin. Now, according to his opinion, and it is widely accepted that the obligation, we may be says that the role and the rights that he can exercise or she can exercise is that status. Then from now onwards, we should distinguish that social status is different from social position, because social position includes both status and role, but social status means the right to be in a position. So the role is referring obligation and the status is referring rights of a member in a social group. The position of a social group is decided by the social structure, and their obligations and rights in a certain position is decided by the norms of that social structure or the social system. In a family, it is a social structure or a social group. The position of a father is decided by according to the structure, and the norms is deciding what his obligations and what is his right. So the obligations or duties and the rights is decided by the norms of the society. Norms, we already learned what is norms. It is social laws. The social laws deciding the obligation and the duties and the rights. So the social norms deciding what is the role and what is the status for certain positions. Thus, social position we can simply define that it is social identity of an individual he has in a given group of society. Social position may vary in nature, such as those associated with gender roles, or may be much more specific, as in the case of occupational position. Okay. The concept of status and role have growing significance in social science. We want to define them in a distinguish between them. A distinction between status and role is simplified by Ralph Linden when he said, "You occupy a status, but you play a role." A status that you have, you occupied, you got seat there, but the role that you have to play, you have to perform. That is Ralph Linden identified or said. Every position or status in society carries with it a set of expected behavioral patterns that is expected behavioral pattern is called role. So status and role are two sides of the same coin, according to Ralph Linden. The concept of status and role are the initial tools for the analysis of social structure. To analyze a social structure, the status and role is the basic tool. For an individual in a society, he has many positions in his society. He occupies many status and have to perform many roles. For example, a person, he has a position as father and has to perform the role as a father. Simultaneously, he has to perform the role of his occupation. When he is in his company, he is an employer. So he has such a status that employer and has to perform the same function as employer. At the same time, he has to perform as father when he occupies the status father. Thus, each person holds a number of positions in society that is known as statuses. A woman might be musician, a teacher, a wife, and a mother. These are a single person. Each of these social positions with the rights and duties it entails, it is a status. Although a person may hold a number of status, one of them, which we might call a master status, define person socially, which means it identifies his identity in society. Okay. For example, a teacher, he has many roles in society, but in society he is known as a teacher. So his master status is teacher. It is best suited for the politicians. The Chief Minister of Kerala, he has a status that he is a Chief Minister of Kerala. His master status is Chief Minister and duties or the roles are according like that. This all about what is a status and what is a role and how it differ from social position and how it related with the term social position. Okay.